Okay, let's look at gold. Gold has been the simplest, the easiest to trade. Gold has been the easiest to trade. So what we can see from gold is that obviously it's a bullish, it's been in a bullish, it's a bullish pair. So this is what we see on gold. Right, the stop loss is below here, so it's expected to come down below here. The stop loss is there. People are stopping losses, guys. Why are you stopping losses? Because this thing is gonna hunt you. But on overall, if you know your story, gold has been the simplest to trade. So as you can see, when we adjust it again, the stop loss is below here. The stop loss is below there. And then you adjust it. Okay, and so there. Right. So we've got this area here where the market pushed, showed a strong bullish momentum. Then the candlestick that came back was this one here. From here, the wick closed here and broke below there. So this wick here broke below this candlestick that pushed up, showed a strong bullish momentum. And then obviously last week we were waiting for market to close above this candlestick that pushed and broke structure on the left side. So now last week's candlestick broke above and closed above. So obviously now that it closed above, we're looking for reversals. Now we're looking for reversals, because if you can look at it as well here, below here, there's also stop losses. People are stopping losses, guys. So the market is always going to hunt for all those stop losses. So which means this whole week, the market is going to push to the downside to hunt for all the stop losses below this area here. Below this area here, market is going to hunt all the stop losses. So we're looking for push down and break below this wick, below this candlestick that closed above a weekly candlestick that broke structure. So that's what we're looking for this whole week. This whole week it's gonna push to the downside. Then let's look at the daily time frame. When we look at the daily time frame, this is what we see. Basically based on market structure. This green candlestick here was the last candle to break structure and close above and push to the upside before this one came down and broke structure. So which means this candlestick, there wasn't any retracements back to in this area here. There wasn't any retracements, so that's why. And there's no any stop losses in this area. There's just pure market structure. There's a fair value gap there, which market already closed the fair value gap. Well, it just filled it up. It just filled up the fair value gap. So on this is a 4-hour time frame. So looking at the 4-hour time frame, we said we're expecting market to break below the candlestick that broke structure, last week's candlestick that closed above and broke structure. So here, but we would be looking for a further more push to the downside to close this gap here. But the most important area would be breaking here first before anything else. We look for break below here. So as we can see here as well, that according to people's strategy, there's trend line liquidity here as well. So this confirms a strong bearish for the week. This really confirms a strong bearish momentum for the week. Trend line liquidity over there. So yes, if you caught this sell entry here, if you caught the sell entry from here in this area here, then you're in the clear. You're in the clear. That's a sniper entry. If you caught that sell from there, it's a pure sniper entry. So from what I'm seeing on 1 hour time frame, also confirms a clear trend line liquidity, which on the 1 hour you can see there's a bullish engulfing here. There's a bullish engulfing which confirms that there's stop losses below this bullish engulfing. Confirms that there's stop losses below that. So as you can see, this is going to happen, guys. This week the market will close bearish. This week the market will close bearish. But let's see. Always look for, if you know your candlestick patterns, then you'll never go wrong on this. If you know your candlestick patterns, you'll never go wrong. Always look for candlestick patterns in order to confirm your entries. Don't just enter blindly. Do a proper top-down analysis on the market to confirm your entries. Don't just enter anyway in the market. It's very important, guys. We're not gambling here. This is business, straight up business, guys. You want to be doing this as a full-time job. A lot of people want financial freedom, but they don't want to take their hustles as serious as they say they want it, or as serious as they say. This is important, guys. Always confirm your entries. If you know study your candlestick patterns. But yeah, I guess this is it from me. It was just a small update on what's gonna happen this week. So yeah, I'll be looking at updating gold on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. I'll be updating my analysis on gold, on what's going to happen. So yeah, I guess all I can say is subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share the video, guys. Share the video. Make sure your family and friends do subscribe as well. Cheers.